There's a prophecy saying we're here to recreate the Garden of Eden. That we live on earth at this time in history to recreate paradise. This is our story of living the life we imagined, and how we had to create that life ourselves from scratch, from nothing but hands, heart, and divine guidance. Never could I imagine this journey, never, nor that I was to hands-on create the Garden of Eden to be able to live in paradise. But isn't that the life we all imagine before incarnating here on earth? We made a promise to the eagle and the condor, to the north and to the south, to all of our relations, a promise to create a place to play, enjoy, heal, and to live in harmony with Mother Nature, a place of paradise on earth. 6 years later, we have come a long way. Much has fallen into place, yet it feels like we're just getting started. Big drops of rain and a bit of sunshine at the same time. It's now the end of May. It's windy and chilly and sunny and rain and everything at once. This circle is our coming entrance. I've been working on it for 4 years now. We're now starting to see the circle. With the trees here, we're working on a natural roof. Every road has its price. What would be the price of the road less traveled? We were yet to find out what we had to sacrifice in order to recreate the Garden of Eden. When they are old, when they are old, when they are, when they are, oh, 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 hey, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. When they are old, when they are.
Remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see us continue with creating Fincombe and our little paradise here on Earth.